New single. The Canadian rapper has released the track Slime You Out featuring SZA of his upcoming project For All the Dog.
Slime.
The project will be his 8th studio album and is scheduled to be released later this month. Spice goes deluxe with Emancipated. The Grammy-nominated artist has released the deluxe edition of her 2022 album. The extended version boasts 3 new songs, Good Taste, Broke Out, and Feeling Good, produced by Grammy-winning artist Shaggy. The 12-track project shows off the Summer-like artist's versatility and her artistry. Emancipated followed Spice's debut studio album 10 on the VP Records, which was nominated for a Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album in 2021. Now, Bob Marley and the Wailers' Catch a Fire is back at its 50th anniversary. To mark the beginning of the album's anniversary, the unearthing of the slave driver performance from Bob's Edmonton show in 1973 was made available on his YouTube page. Both LP and CD packages will include a book comprised of classic images of Marley from his photo shoots with longtime collaborators Adrian Boot and Arthur Garson, who shot images of Bob for 2 weeks in Jamaica, plus Dennis Morris and Neville Garrick. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Deidre and thank you for watching. Be safe.